Which state is home to the Patna Bird Sanctuary, which was recently added as a Ramsar site? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who was sworn in as the new Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra on 31st January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sunetra Pawar. What was the theme of the Best Tableaux presented by the Ministry of Culture? Correct answer is option B, Vande Mataram 150 Years Journey. Who became the first Indian to be inducted into the Japanese martial art Kenjutsu? Correct answer is option B, Pawan Kalyan. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in January 2026? Correct answer is option A, 80th. Which state won the overall championship at the 69th National School Games 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which airline became the fifth Indian member of the International Air Transport Association in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, Akasa Air. Which app is being adopted by Annamalai Tiger Reserve for the upcoming wildlife census? Correct answer is option B, M Stripes. Which is the focus country at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2026? Correct answer is option A, Spain. The Ghazipur Gajak and Revdi received GI tag from which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option B, Meerut. Which Indian Army officer received the UN Secretary General Award 2025? Correct answer is option A, Major Swati Shantakumar. Who has been awarded the Booker Prize 2025 for his novel Flash? Correct answer is option B, David Sedaele. Which state has emerged as the leading large state in APAR ID creation? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Where was India's first fully paperless district court inaugurated? Correct answer is option D, Kalpetta district. At which institute did Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launch the Param Shakti supercomputing facility? Correct answer is option D, IIT Madras. What is the name of the new mascot launched by UIDAI to simplify Aadhaar services? Correct answer is option B, Uday. Which Padma Vibhushan awardee is associated with literature and education? Correct answer is option A, P. Narayanan. Where did the Indian Army organize the Sanjay Shakti exercise? Correct answer is option B, Pune, Maharashtra. Which team has won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbha. Who took oath as the first woman Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Justice Revati Mohite Dere. What position did India secure in the Global Consumer Optimism Ranking in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, second. What was the theme of India's 77th Republic Day 2026? Correct answer is option D, both A and B. स्वतंत्रता का मंत्र वंदे मातरम एंड समृद्धि का मंत्र आत्मनिर्भर भारत. Which country will host the Bharat Electricity Summit 2026? Correct answer is option B, India. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. The Public Investment Board approved 26,000 crore for the Kamla hydroelectric project in which state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country announced withdrawal from 66th international organizations, including International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option B, United States of America. What is India's rank in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, ninth. Which portal was launched for integrated delivery of women and child development schemes? Correct answer is option B, Pankhodi. Who was appointed president and vice chairman of Meta in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, Dina Powell McCormick. Anantapur pomegranate received GI tag from which state? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which platform was launched by Indian Army for logistics modernization? Correct answer is option B, DIME, Depot Integration Management Edition. First phase of All India Tiger Estimation 2026 began in which sanctuary? Correct answer is option C, Thanthai Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Information Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Rajkumar Goyal. Who took charge as the new ambassador of the USA to India in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sergio Gore. Which Indian city hosted the Army Day Parade on 15th January 2026? Correct answer is option A, Jaipur. Which became the first recertified organic panchayat in northwest India? Correct answer is option C, Bamanwas Kankar. Madhya Pradesh renamed which tiger reserve as Virangana Rani Durgavati Tiger Reserve? Correct answer is option A, Ratapani Tiger Reserve. What name was given to the ghostly starless galaxy discovered by NASA's Hubble telescope? Correct answer is option A, Cloud 9. The eighth edition of the joint military exercise Ecuverin was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, Maldives. Which rocket launched the Bluebird Block 2 communication satellite? Correct answer is option C, LVM-3M6. What is India's rank in the Women, Peace and Security Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 31st. In which state was the Makar Vilakku festival celebrated in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. What is the name of India's first privately developed commercial orbital rocket unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option B, Vikram 1. Which city has been designated as India's first integrated financial city? Correct answer is option C, Amravati. Which district is said to become India's first bio-happy district? Correct answer is option A, KE Panyor. Which state unveiled India's first dedicated deep tech startup policy? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which Indian city hosted the second phase of cancer care training program for BIMSTEC countries? Correct answer is option C, Vishakhapatnam. Who launched India's first national ID data management system? Correct answer is option B, Amit Shah. Who won the Best Actress award at the 83rd Golden Globe Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B, Jesse Buckley. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which state is home to the Patna Bird Sanctuary, which was recently added as a Ramsar site? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.